friends, Miss Porter here. So today we're going to be working on math lesson 8.5, and this is about using models to add. So we're going to be using our stick and dot drawings in order to add two numbers together. Amir counts 14 cars as they go by. Then he counts 5 more cars. How many cars does Amir count? So I'm going to use my 10 rods to show this. So in order to show 14, since there is a 1 in the tens place, I'm going to have one 10 rod. And since there is a 4 in the ones place, I'm going to have my 4 lonely ones. And then he's going to see 5 more. And 5 is just 5. There's no 10s there. So I'm going to add 5 more. So in order to find out how many cars he sees all together, we can just count our model. So we know that we start this at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So he sees 19 cars all together. So let's go ahead and draw that on our math board here. So we have one stick and 4 dots to show the 4 cars or the 14 cars that he saw first. And then we have 5 more cars to show the 5 more cars. So now we can answer our question. Amir counted 19 cars. I gotta put a period at the end of our sentence. Let's not forget that. Okay, so let's go on to the next page. Okay, so take a look at the model at the top. We're going to add ones to a 2-digit number. So a 2-digit number is just a number that has 2 numbers in it. So 32 is a 2-digit number because it's made up of 3 10s and 2 1s. So here's 1, 2, 3 for my 3 10s and 2 1s, and then plus 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to add all of that together. Okay. So if we're trying to find 32 plus 4 more, are we going to add any 10s to this number? No, we're not. You're absolutely right. So there's still going to be 3 10s in this number. And we are only adding 1s to our number. So we started with 2 and then 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll have 6 1s all together. So we can also count our model. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Just to be sure, we'll count our model, just to be sure. So now we're going to add 10s to a 2-digit number. So here's our first number, 32. So let's count that in our model. Go ahead and count with me. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. And then we're going to add 40. So there are 4 10s in the number 40. So here are 4 10 rods. So when we count a model, we always want to count the 10s first. So let's count those 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then we count the ones. 71, 72. So notice we didn't add any more 1s, we only added 10s. So our final model, once we put them all together, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. So we're going to use sticks and dots We'll use sticks and dots for these four here. We're going to draw to show how to add the ones, and then write the sum. So let's draw a stick and dot drawing for the number 27. So you can draw that right along with me. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So there's our 27, and then we're going to add two more. So here are two more ones. So we can count our whole model together now. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now, I don't know if you noticed this, but are there any 10s in the number 2? No, there are no 10s. There's no 10 rods in this model for the number 2. There are 2 10 rods for the number 27. So if we add 2 10s plus 0 10s, we still have 2 10s. We have a 2 in the tens place. Now let's add the ones. If we have 7 ones and we add 2 more ones, 7 plus 2 is 9. So 41 plus 5. Let's do sticks and dots for the number 41 first. Go ahead and count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 1. 4 10s and 1 1. So we have 4 in the tens place, 1 in the ones place. And then we're going to add 5 more ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we can count our number all together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46. All right, so we have 4 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. And then when we count it, we have the number 46. All right, now for 3 and 4, we are going to be drawing the 10s. So we have the number 13, which is 1 10 and 1, 2, 3 ones. And now let's draw sticks and dots. Do we need dots? No, we don't need dots. For the number 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a 5 in the tens place. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So now let's count our 10s. So we're going to have all of our 10s together, just like we saw in the model. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. 63. And notice that same strategy that we used up here for number 1. If we add the 10s, add the tens place numbers. 1 plus 5, that's 6. Now let's add the ones place numbers. 3 plus 0 equals 3. So last one we'll do together. 28 plus 30. So let's do sticks and dots for the number 28. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, plus 30 more. So we'll do sticks and dots for the number 30. 10, 20, 30. Now, of course, we have to add the 10s first. So I'm just going to have a big old circle around my 10s. Okay, now let's count the 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's 5 10s. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. Now let's count it all together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Wonderful. So you can do this page on your own and this page as well. So down here, in number 14, You just have to make up any two-digit number you'd like. And then just add tens, no ones, to it. And number 13, make a sum of 45. So we know that a sum is two numbers that we add together. Draw a quick picture, so that's sticks and dots, and write the number sentence. So remember, you want your answer to be 45. And add ones to a two-digit number. So you're going to add some ones plus some tens in order to make the number 45. Hope I'll see you at office hours if you need any help with this. Thanks, guys.